In your JAMB result, if you have written your JAMB, it's not supposed to be something complex. It's not so. JAMB made it so easy for you, for all candidates to who wrote the JAMB exam to actually test a code, and your JAMB result will be in your phone within a few seconds. So in this video, let me just give you the code right away, and I want you to try it, and you will see your JAMB result immediately. Okay, so what you need, this is using SMS code to check your JAMB result should be the easiest method you can use to check your result without having to use the internet or visit any accredited CBT center. You don't need to go to any CBT center. You don't need to use an Android phone, just any kind of phone. As far as that phone has a SIM card, that's your SIM card, you should be able to check your JAMB result. But you will have to use the online method if you wish to print. So this method, you cannot print the physical slip of your UTME result with it. But for you, normally when the result is out, they allow you to check it with your phone, right? Then before they put it on your portal for you to check it and print. By the way, if you don't know how to print on your portal, let me know so that I can guide you for you to print it out on the portal, your JAMB result. But pending when you ask me for the link for you to print on your portal, if you need me to give you the link to print the physical result, you let me know in the comment section. But to get your UTME result right now, just open the Messenger app on your phone. There is a MES app, that normal app on your phone that you use to type message, whether you are using an Android phone or a Nokia Touch or Techno Touch or any phone. Just open that Messenger app, type this in capital letter, UTME result. UTME RESULT. Remember, when you type, don't give any gap. Then send it. The number you send it to is 55019. Type UTME RESULT without any gap, and all of them should be in capital letter. Then you forward it to 55019. 55019. Okay, just send it. Do it right now, and you will see your JAMB result. Once, except if the result has not been released. But if it is already released, once you type that code, your result will appear on your phone immediately. Ensure to use the phone number, the same phone number you use to register for your JAMB exam. Ensure that it is the same phone number you use for your JAMB registration that we are using for sending this code. Then once you do that, you will receive an SMS with your JAMB score and other relevant information. You need to be aware that this SMS normally costs 50 naira once you send it. So when you send it for the first time with that particular SIM card, if you lost your SIM card, go and do welcome back. Or if you have further questions concerning your SIM card, ask me in the comment section. Remember, this method will incur a charge. They will charge you 15 naira for this method. So just I need this video to be very simple and straightforward. Type UTME result in capital letters without any gap. Send it as a text message to 55019. Ensure you use the same phone number you use in your registration, and also ensure that you have up to 50 naira in your phone. If you try it right now and it's not working, it means that JAMB has not yet released the result. But if the result is on, once you try it, within a few seconds, your result should be on your phone. You have issues, want me to give you the link to check on the JAMB portal, let me know in the comment section. Go ahead right now, join our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and most importantly, become a member of our YouTube channel by clicking on join. Your effort in this JAMB will not be in vain. I want you to type, I claim it. Your effort, your reading, your watching of videos, the money you spent, your traveling to your CB, all these things will not be in vain. I want you to claim it right and type I claim it, and I want you to believe. Don't just type it, but type it and claim it right now.